night too. So snow got really high. Just look at that. And it's so crazy snowing again. The roads are not. Yeah, well, you're never getting your car we're never getting the car out of the driveway, that's for sure. One side, they did one side. And then, like, that little truck did one side, so just like right there. That's it. And then everyone else is just fucking stuck. The main road there is fine. Right there. There, it's like people can go fast now, but like, okay, it's crazy out here. And then when you walk back, this is the road back to my house. It's really narrow. It's too tall. Okay, you want to go? But like, whew, my goodness. Well, we're screwed.